How's it going, everybody? Farm Boy Spence here, and welcome back to On the Farm. I was greasing all the fittings on one of our planters earlier, a minute ago, and I got grease all over me, so I had to go change shirts. So right now, we are on our way to put some fuel in the well motor that carries water to two of our corn pivots, right over here. That was a wet drive. It is so muddy right where that pivot's already been. It is once again our favorite time of the day.
Lunchtime.
It is lunch. Who knows what it'll be today? It could be Sprint Mart. It could be Subway. It could... That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
There's nothing else.
That's the two we got, unless we want to go into town. Mr. Chad is going to be picking, so we just follow him.
Just follow the sprayer.
Absolute grade A parking, sir. So we're going to deliver Keyshawn his lunch now, and then when we get back, me and Jag are gonna take a couple of the combine heads down to the pasture and blow them off real good, and then later we're gonna get my tractor. We unhooked the grain cart from it. We're gonna hook it to a roller bar, and we're gonna go roast some millet into the refuge ground. I don't know if I've talked about this before, but we farm a decent bit of refuge land. And the stipulation, or part of the contract of us farming that land, is that we also have to plant and manage some plots for the wildlife to feed on. So recently some millet has been spread out there. So I'm gonna go over it with that roller bar and just roll it into the ground so it'll root. There he is right there. He smelled the sandwiches on the way. Come on. Come on. All the way this way. All right, hold right there. Let's see. Up a little bit more. There we go. Boom. It is so hot out here right now. I don't know what the heat index today, but it's supposed to be something in the hundreds. So I'm gonna top my tractor off with some fuel here. And I think I said this earlier, but we're gonna go hook it up to that roller bar. Jack, somebody left the heat on.
Yeah, we need to make it on.
Changed clothes for the second time. So I'm about to go take care of that millet ground. I'm repeating myself a lot, I've noticed that. Neighboring farms does, so we're going to their shop to get it. Yeah, we got a 20-minute drive to where we're going. This thing keeps beeping at me, I don't know why. But I think I have close to 50 acres to roll with this, but it's a wide implement and you can go fairly quick on rolling, so I'm not gonna say it won't take us long, but I hope it won't take very long. I got a date tonight, so hope I won't be too late for that. We're just about there. Smooth ride thus far. So it's this whole field right here?
Yeah, I want you to pull out here, spread out, and just go a little piece. I gotta get you and carry you to another field right now. We'll park the tractor out here.
Okay, show me where the other one is.
I want you to spread down front a little piece. Let me look at what it's gonna do.
Okay. So I'm gonna run a little bit here. Let's see. Get turned around good. I guess I'm just gonna do a line up this edge. Let's see. Some of the hand signal he's giving me. Maybe not that fast. I know what that signal means. Alright, so I'm gonna park this tractor, and he said he was gonna show me to the other field before he leaves. Okay, I'm back. I'm sure my waters are all room temperature now, or just hot, but we're gonna get started. At 25 acres. My uncle misspoke about 50 earlier. It's only 25, but I'm just gonna make loops, go around the edges, and hopefully knock this out in due time. It said just go fast and hold on to your seat, so that's what we're doing. Knocking up some good dust, I know that. That's it for this field, so we're gonna go ahead and fold her up. On to the next. Slight predicament. The AC just went out in this tractor. You see the dust around me. I can't really open a window, so I'm gonna try and get this field done as quick as possible. It is like an oven in here, so yeah, I don't have much left. I think just a couple more passes. So we're good. We're almost there. And once I get back out on the main road, I'm gonna open a window, but we got this. Everybody watching, we got this.
In 1 mile, use the right lane to turn right to I-565 East.
I don't think my audience listens to a lot of Taylor Swift. They might. Hello again. Welcome back. We got the day off today, but that does not stop us from going and riding around. Jack's got his drone here. He's going to get some video and some pictures for his account, and we're just going to go around and look at how some of the soybeans are doing. Then we're going to go over to the refuge, and the millet that I rolled in a couple days ago, it got a good rain over there, so we're just going to go down there and see how everything looks. This right here is the second field that we harvested this season. These beans right here were planted early on this year, and you can see how tall they are. And these beans right here obviously were planted in our wheat stubble once we harvested that. So you can see the difference here. We have, I'm not sure the exact acreage, but we have a mix. We have a good bit of early beans, and then all of our wheat has now turned into late wheat bean ground. I noticed a good bit. Some of these leaves right here, they got a lot of bugs eating them, and then some, let's see, I had seen one a second ago. It looked a little bit like rust almost, but those might also be just bugs starting to feed. So we're gonna dig up one of these bean plants and take a look at it. So you can see we got some pods starting to form right here, and then there's some very far along pods. I'm being photographed. isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a little hard to see, but right there, there's your soybeans starting. These right here are a little further along. Now this monstrosity right here, that's rising up above the beans. It looks like, thankfully, that the herbicide's starting to take a toll on it. It's wilted and wrinkled, but these are some massive weeds that get in these beans, but thankfully we got the stuff to take care of it. There is indeed a rainstorm coming, and there's some hail in it. So I'm gonna move this brand new sprayer somewhere under cover. She's all safe now. It's starting to sprinkle. Whenever it storms and lightnings around here, we always come turn the master breaker switches off. So cut those off right there. They're the dryer, the bin fans, the grain elevator, everything. It cuts the power to it so it won't surge. Hold strong there, Flag. As long as we sit here, it just keeps on building. The Henderson River is once again alive and flourishing.